This was the speech I was ready. I have been on many stages, not of life but dais like this. 2021, I think it was Robert pre-release. There were around 20,000 plus crowd. Last year, Katera events, there were thousands of people in Pandupura, Mandya, Hubli. Lot many stages like that. I had been to Surpura for a campaigning and there were like huge crowd there. I was never this nervous. I got nervous for this 1,000 odd crowd here, not because of the crowd, because of this my wife prepared from last 2-3 days. And the biggest worry for me was ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ನೀನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೋ US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Three pages with your own handwriting. ಪಾಪ ಏನೋ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೀಚಿ ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಪೇಜ್ ನಾನು ಅರ್ಧಂಗಿನೇ ಬರ್ದಿಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
Now that's a surprise.
ಮುಂದೆ ಡೋರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪೀಚು ಲಾಂಗ್ ನೈಟ್ ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
I'm going to take my seat, yeah? I thought I would be standing.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ನನಗೆ. ಯಾನ್ ಕುಡ್ಲಾದ ಮರ್ಮೆ ಮಾತೆಗ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಷ್ಟರ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಳು ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. I must say, standing here in front of you all, Appa, I love you, Appa. I miss my father immensely today, but I know that he's watching us, blessing us, and is very happy. I am who I am today only because of my parents. I want to begin my expression, my deepest gratitude to my mother, my mama, Malti Sri. For the first time in a very long time, I realized that I have not always shown how much I love you. Grateful for your love and guidance. And I extend my heartfelt thanks to my incredible, ferocious mother-in-law, Lita Montero. Ma, you have welcomed me into your family with open arms and treated me as one of your own from very beginning. Thank you so much.